Take it steady, Joe.
Take care, mate.
I'm going to go out of here and left, and we'll see. Let us know when you're home.
Oh, it nearly worked.
Is it? Hang on.
Yeah.
Yeah, left. See you later, bud.
Yeah, I've got 3 hours, 117 miles.
Nope, 2 hours 39.
And how many miles?
117.
Yeah, see, the mileage is the same.
What's it got you as
nice...
walking?
Oh, hopefully Joe will get home safely.
Yes. I think he's enjoyed it.
Yeah.
Hope so. It's bloody, hope he's enjoyed it, because it's been a good crack.
Yeah.
Aye, aye.
Aye. Three-wheeler.
See, it pays off sitting in front of that computer finding good roads.
Oh yeah, worth the effort, isn't it?
Yeah, definitely.
So you can't pick out the road surface, isn't it? Bit gnarly this one, isn't it? And another one.
Must have been a car show somewhere. I'm not sure. I think I got something coming up fast behind us.
Probably that mate. You're looking for his mate again.
Nah, look like a car.
Oh, that's better. You're clearer now. You're closer. Since we stopped for fuel, there's been petrol station after
everywhere.
Petrol
Yeah.
station, isn't there?
Yeah, absolutely everywhere.
Nice church on the left there.
Yeah.
Beautiful setting, isn't it? That looks like some sort of manor house church, doesn't it?
Yeah. 20. We're in a 20.
I'm trying. Bloody
That's what I mean.
over.
It is so fucking slow, isn't it? Engines struggle.
It is very hard, even if you're in a car, to get down to 20 and hold it, safely. Nice, isn't it? Do you reckon they hung a few from that post?
Christ. Had that look about it, didn't it?
Yeah, it's sort of overkill for a pub sign, isn't it?
Building renovation interiors.
Hey!
Black lines matter.
Oh dear. Old Beamer. Well, no, the bridge is intact. You can see where it's been rebuilt on the right there, can't you? And it's lovely, eh?
Oh yeah, I mean, look at all these fucking vintage cars.
Yeah. It is a beautiful town, isn't it?
It is nice, but I'm not sure I'd want to fucking put up with this all the time, would you?
Oh, crikey, no.
Because it's like this all the time.
It's alright. Thank you again. They're so polite round here, aren't they, when you let people cross? They look at you as say, fuck you.
Yeah, ignorant shits.
Absolutely.
Yeah, very nice.
We go first gear uphill and I can just hold 20 mile an hour nice.
Yeah, I'm in second 20. Oh, Messerschmitt.
Yeah. I can see why people come here because it's just a gorgeous place, isn't it?
Yeah.
But at the same time it ruins it, doesn't it? Oh God, this one, isn't it? A40.
No. Round again, we want the 350.
Oh, fuck it.
Yeah, round here.
Right. Have you gone round, have you?
Hang on, I'm gonna
I'll do a Yui.
take the 361 to Lechlade. Are you spinning?
I'm down back. Mine did the old twisty thing. It was straight ahead, then it was left, then it was straight ahead, then it was left.
Yeah.
I must admit, I'm getting warm.
It is warm, isn't it? 16 degrees.
Yeah, I've got my vents open. I did put my liner in this morning though.
You did?
In my jacket, yeah.
Oh, fuck that.
Oh, I know that now, don't I?
I gotta admit, it's gotta be cold before I put my liners in, but even then I only wear a t-shirt underneath.
Yeah, I've only got a t-shirt on.
I think, is this a V8? I bet it's spanking if it is.
Yeah.
I reckon the minute it goes to 50 or 60, he's going to spank it to get up the ass of that Porsche. So we're coming up to a 50 up here, I reckon, or is it 30? That's 50. He's going to spank it.
Ready?
He's just heard me knock it down a gear. Ready?
2,
Watch this.
1. Well, I just rolled on from 4th and I had loads of power.
I knew he was going to do it.
Yeah, I bet he's smiling.
Oh, he's gone that way. He's not with the Porsche then.
We are.
We're coming up to the roundabout.
We want the middle lane, don't we?
Yeah.
Oh, indicator worked first time.
Oh, you fucker. He nearly smashed him up the ass.
He did. Is that another taxi, is it?
Jesus, yeah. Fucking nearly slammed him up the ass.
Goldwing, on your left. Oh, right.
Goldwing?
Yeah. They handle, don't they?
Yeah. Off of this one.
Hit some of one of the sports bikes chasing.
Cool, look, he's scraping that.
Yeah. His missus is a good passenger. Just can't help yourself, can you?
Yeah. Yeah, Mr. Goldwing can handle that, can't he?
Oh, yes.
And like you say, for a fucking great big tank, they handle... Oh, what's he flashing at?
Yeah, he's flashing.
Right, we're in a 60.
Yeah, for a big old beast like that, 2 up, he can soon flick that round the roundabout, can't he?
Yeah, he was flashing us all that one, so I reckon there's something up here.
Oh, but that, he's just a killjoy.
Matey boy's got leg ache in front.
Yep. If I was riding that, I'd have leg ache, back ache, shoulder ache,
Teaching to
elbow
ride a
ache.
stupid bike at his age.
He's probably got leg ache because he's been trying to keep up with that 1800 wing.
Yeah. Lovely bend, that one. Mind the drain on the left hand side.
You thought about it?
Yeah, I thought, should we stop there?
There'll be somewhere.
Yeah.
You're still rolling, aren't you?
Yeah, I was trying to see then whether it is. I think it is. Whew. That's wild garlic, isn't it?
It is, yes. Look at what you're missing, Joe.
Yeah.
Could have been playing on these roads.
Yeah. Yeah, it is still rolling by the look of it. I can see something. It's getting near. the screen's on, so it's getting near close to shutting off.
Yeah. Yeah, what I'll probably do is when we stop at Blandford, I'll have a coffee there.
Yeah.
And then we shall part ways. Until next time.
Right, must be somewhere. Because I don't know how long it leaves it when the camera shuts down before it shuts the mic. The mic shuts itself down. I don't know.
Yeah.
They obviously haven't invented fucking laybys up here.
I would have thought there's an old coaching in along here somewhere though.
Sunken manhole cover.
Thank you.
What's this here? Is this outside
Good,
someone's house? Yeah, that'll do. That'll do nicely.
Yeah.
That'll do nicely.
And it's not gravel.
No.
Oh, you can start moaning at me again shortly, Nige, because I've got indicators back.
They faff by the roadside, they faff in the rain, fiddling with gadgets, it's all in their lane. Cameras are clicking, mics on the ground, phones in their pockets, they're nowhere to be found. Oh, the faffers, they faff all day, with a twist and a turn, they're never on their way. From dawn till the dusk, they don't heed the call, for they're lost in the faffing at the faffers ball.
Roaring on the twisty lanes, the Pennine Hills whisper through the chains. George's laugh cuts the morning fog. Ron snaps a pic while Alex checks his vlog. Steve's got a mic that won't behave. Joe shouts, hold up, let me fix it, I'll get it saved. Stop and faff and ride again, laughing loud with the wind as a friend. It's not the speed or the road ahead, it's the Tour de Faff, where biking joy is spread. The faff is done, then the engine sings. George wipes his lens so he won't miss a thing. Steve's intercom appears to be dead. Joe's remote could be bust. Alex just grins, that's the faff we trust. Twisting roads and rolling skies, the faff's the glue, the miles just fly. Stop and faff and ride again, laughing loud with the wind as a friend. It's not the speed or the road ahead, it's the Tour de Faff, where biking joy is spread. Stop and faff and ride again, laughing loud with the wind as a friend. It's not the speed or the road ahead, it's the Tour de Faff, where biking joy is spread. Where biking joy is spread.
soaked to the skin. Puddles deep as rivers, boots squelched tight, gadgets out and faffing till we lost the light. The Tour de Faff, we rode, we splashed through the flood and the muck, cameras dash. The Tour de Faff, we do it again, in the howl of the storm with our 5 madmen. With our 5 madmen. Mike's mic broke, then the GoPro fell. Maps blown sideways, phones gave us hell. The wind stole our voices, the rain stole our sight, but we laughed till the hills echoed through the night. Water in the engine, every mile of struggle, we didn't care. We didn't care. The Tour de Faff, we rode, we splashed through the flood and the muck, cameras dashed. The Tour de Faff, we do it again, in the howl of the storm with our 5 madmen. With our 5 madmen. Yorkshire's tears fell heavy, the lakes howled low, but the Faff was our compass wherever we'd go. Wet gloves and dry humor kept us alive, with a storm as our anthem. We ride and ride.
Back in petrol, for fuck's sake.